my touchpad is not working because battery is swollen up, and as you can see, the touchpad came up a little bit. You can see a little gap over here, and it's not working. It's not clicking at all. It's due to the swollen battery. First thing I'm gonna have to do, I'm gonna have to take all the screws out, the ones that I have in the back, and take the back cover off. Take the back cover off. Before removing the battery, we're gonna have to disconnect the power to the motherboard. Carefully pry off the connector of the motherboard. Comes off. There's only two screws that hold this battery, one right here and one right here. Take your battery out. You can see right here, there's a big old bump. That's what was pushing the trackpad off. So we're gonna have to replace this battery. Right here, big old hump. Most of the time you're gonna have to readjust those little hinges here. In this case, I don't really have to do anything to the trackpad. As soon as I remove the battery, trackpads start working, and it went down. You don't see that seam anymore right here. It just fixes itself. Hopefully yours can be easy as mine.